Hello friends, in this video we will see the data staging in data warehouse. So whenever data warehouse is constructed, the data came from various sources. It can be RDBMS data, then it can come from Excel file, Word file, Notepad file. So it can be structured data or unstructured data. Now structured data means which is arranged in the form of rows and columns, which we can see in the tables of the database, or Excel file where the data is also arranged in the form of rows and columns. And unstructured data means, in let us say if you take the example of Microsoft Word, where the data is written in the form of sentences, or Notepad file where data is written in the form of sentences. So data warehouse can accommodate all this data, but before loading that data into the data warehouse, we have to convert it into one unique format. So before converting into unique format, we have to store, or we have to collect that data at one location. That area is known as data staging. So what is data staging? Data staging is a temporary storage, or you can say buffer, where the data is stored for some time and then it is converted into one unique format. So that is data staging. Now why data staging is needed? So let us see. First point is why it is needed. So first is for data consolidation. Now here you can see the data is coming from various sources and it is collected at one point. So to collect that data from various sources, we need some entity or something where we can store the data temporarily. So that there is a concept of data staging where the data is kept and then it is converted into one unique format and then it is loaded into the data warehouse. Second is to enhance data quality. So to enhance data quality. So why data staging is needed? Ultimately, if we want better analysis or better conclusion from the analysis of the data, we need better quality of the data. So to enhance the data quality means to reduce the redundancy, duplicacy and missing value. So we have to improve the data quality. So all these things can be done at data staging area. So data staging is very important to improve the data quality. Next is schema alignment. Schema alignment. Now that since the data is coming from various sources, they must have, or they may have the different schema, because they are coming from various sources. Now to store that data into the data warehouse, we need some one consolidation or one unique schema. So that's why to align the schema or to provide only one unique schema, we need schema alignment. So data staging, in the data staging area, the schema alignment can be done. For this, temporal storage. Temporal storage means it collect the data from various storage and it is stored for some time and then it is converted into one unique format. So data staging provide temporal storage of the data where we can convert it into one unique format and then we can load it into the data warehouse. Fifth is data transformation. So what is data transformation? Converting Converting the data from one unique format, or sorry, from one format to another format is data transformation. Here the data is arranged in the form of rows and columns in Excel file, rows and columns, but here it is in the form of sentences. So we are converting this data, we have to convert this data into one unique format. So therefore that is nothing but data transformation. So data transformation is done at data staging area. And last point is buffering. So ultimately buffering is nothing but we are storing the data temporarily and then we are consolidating the data and then we will forward or we will load into the data warehouse. So they, this is that's why data staging is very important. So from these 6 points we can conclude that the data staging is very important step in data warehouse and it is very much needed. So I do hope you understand data staging in the data warehouse. If you like the video, then please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.